In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and run reports in Zoho Books. By the end, you'll confidently locate the reports section, open a profit and loss report as an example, set the right dates, run it, and share the results with your team. Start on the Zoho Books dashboard. This is your home base where you'll see key financial widgets and quick stats about your business. From here, everything we need is just a click away. Look to the left-hand side of the screen for the main navigation panel. This sidebar is where Zoho Books organizes all your modules, and the one we want is called Reports. Go ahead and select Reports from the left menu. This opens a dedicated area that groups your financial and accounting reports by category, making it easy to find what you're after. You'll see options for sales, purchases, banking, and accountant-focused reports. For this walkthrough, we'll use a common report that most businesses rely on, profit and loss. Choose Profit and Loss. This report summarizes your income and expenses over a specific period and shows your net profit or loss. It's perfect for answering questions like how your business performed last month, this quarter, or year to date. Before running the report, set the date range. You'll usually find a date selector near the top of the report page. Pick a preset period such as this month, last month, this quarter, or customize the range with specific start and end dates. Choose the time frame that aligns with the period you want to analyze. This step is important because your results will change based on the dates you set, so take a second to make sure the range is correct. Once your dates look good, click Run Report. Zoho Books will refresh the view and calculate totals for income, expenses, and net profit or loss for the selected period. Take a moment to scan the figures. If something seems off, it's often just a matter of adjusting the date range and running the report again. Now that the report is generated, you can share it. Look for options to share or export. Typically, you'll be able to email the report directly to colleagues or download it in a format like PDF or Excel for archiving or further analysis. When sharing, it helps to include the date range in your message so recipients immediately understand the time period the numbers cover. That's it. You started from the dashboard, opened reports, selected profit and loss, set the dates, ran the report, and shared it. Follow the same flow for other reports in Zoho Books, and you'll quickly build a consistent reporting routine.